In this video, we're going to talk about making money without money. Seems a little clickbaity, seems a little gimmicky, but bear with me. So not too long ago, when you thought about starting a business selling products, you thought of selling physical products. And with that type of business model, you need to pay for materials, packaging, supplies, shipping, inventory space, or at least use some of your personal space to store your products. And then you potentially needed to pay for ads. So basically, you needed money to start a physical product business. But now with the world being a lot more digital, you can start a product business, a digital product business. So a matter of fact, this year alone, I've made over $45,000 selling digital products. And the beauty of selling digital products is not only can you automate the sales process, so AKA create passive income for yourself, but you can get started with virtually $0 or zero additional dollars. So as long as you have a computer and an internet connection and the drive to do it, you can start your digital product business today. So like I said, this past year, I made $45,000 selling digital products. I made $15,000 selling templates on Etsy, and then another $30,000 selling one digital course. So you can create and sell a digital course for free. There are ways you can do it, but it is a little bit complicated. And I think for beginners, a really easy way to get started is with digital products like templates, checklists, workbooks, ebooks, planners, calendars, etc. If you want to know more digital product ideas, I will link a video that I created all about that down below. But let's talk about where you can create these products for free, where you can sell them for free, and how you can drive traffic to them for free. So everything is basically free. Okay, so the place where I suggest that you get started creating digital products is the free version of Canva. And I have a test shop on Etsy, and it's basically where I create little products and then I'll upload it and see how the market reacts to them. So I actually created this meal planning kit in one day using Canva. I used the elements, I used shapes, and I changed the colors, and then I downloaded it as a PDF print file. And then I added fillable fields using Adobe, but Adobe does cost money, so you can use a program called PDF Escapes. You can create those fillable fields for free. So I suggest you do that, and I just know from working with my students that fillable planners, if you're going to create planners, do sell better because a lot of people are looking for fillable planners, but even if they're not, they don't need to be fillable, right? They could print them out and fill them out that way. So it really does help you make sales if you make them fillable. So you can do that for free. So this video isn't about really creating planners. It's just about creating all different types of digital products. So there are so many free elements and free stock photography using the free version of Canva that you can actually use for commercial use. Just make sure you take a look at the terms and conditions and the licenses that Canva has on their website, but you can use a lot of these elements and stock photography, etc. for free. What you can't do is take a template that they already have and then resell it. You do have to create it from scratch, but Canva makes it super easy to do. It's relatively intuitive. You just drag and drop, and once you familiarize yourself with the platform, you'll be able to create products pretty easily. Now, just a little side note, I do suggest that you start small. So in business, we would call this a minimal viable product. So start with just like a prototype, a first draft, but a finished first draft, and test the market that way, because you don't want to put all of your time and energy into a very elaborate digital product and then find that it doesn't sell. So just make sure that you are starting small and then you build upon it as you learn more about what your target audience wants and you learn more about growing your business, etc. I actually have a free training that teaches you the exact steps you need to take if you are serious about growing your Etsy shop and building a profitable business. I will link that free training down below. You can sign up and watch it right after this video. Okay, so now you need to sell the product. So where are you going to do that? You need a hosting site. You could create your own website, but that's going to cost you at least a monthly fee, or if you're using WordPress, then you're going to have to really know how to create a website. So what I suggest for beginners is to use Etsy. And I sell my things on Etsy. I teach people how to sell on Etsy successfully. And Etsy is gonna help you get started virtually for free. They do take 5% of what you make, but there's no monthly reoccurring fee. So if you don't sell anything, then you're not charged anything. The one thing that they do charge is 20 cents per listing, but to stay true to the topic of this video, I'm going to link down below 40 free listings. So if you sign up for Etsy with that link, you will get your first 40 listings for free. And Etsy is awesome because they just make it so simple for you to get started selling products. They have a templated shop for you, templated listings. So you just have to write in your listing description, upload your photos, upload your digital product, and hit publish. They also have built-in customers because people go to Etsy obviously to shop. They trust Etsy, so you're going to have built-in customers as well. So really all you have to do is learn how to use the platform, and you can start seeing traffic and sales on your shop. Lastly, you're going to want to drive your own traffic to your Etsy shop eventually. And there are free ways to drive traffic. One of the best ways to drive traffic for free is using Pinterest, and another way is content marketing. So what I'm doing right now, this YouTube video, this is content marketing, and it's completely free for me to create videos and upload to YouTube, and it promotes my business. So you can do the same thing. If you don't want to use YouTube, you can use blogging, but I definitely suggest creating searchable content, so that's YouTube and or blogging. And then you can use Pinterest to drive traffic to your YouTube videos and your blog posts, so it will drive additional traffic for free. And also you can use Pinterest to drive traffic directly to your Etsy shop as well. I do this. I have 61% of my traffic coming from Pinterest. I know I get sales from Pinterest too, so Pinterest is really great. Don't sleep on it. If you're going to start a digital product business, definitely use Pinterest. It's a very visual platform, so if you post product photos of your planners, calendars, checklists, ebook, etc., pinners really respond well to that type of content and often reshare, repin it, and then your pins have the chance of going viral. And again, it's all free. I'm also planning on creating a video all about my social media strategy. I'm going to break it down. So if you are interested in that, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel because that is coming in a few weeks. So to recap, you can create a digital product using a free version of Canva. If you're creating a planner, you can use PDF Escape. You can use Etsy to host your digital product virtually for free. Don't forget I have the free 40 listings down below. And then you could drive traffic using searchable content like YouTube or blogging and Pinterest. Okay, bosses, I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you start your business. If you do, if this sparked ideas for you, then let me know in the comments below. Let me know what digital product you're thinking of creating. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.